Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Altima headlight is probably one of the most critical components for safe driving, especially when the sun goes down. Over time, these lights can dim, cloud up, or simply burn out, which is why we're diving deep into the world of 2012 Nissan Altima headlights. We'll explore everything you need to know about maintaining and replacing your headlights to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Number 5. JSBOYAT Headlight Assembly for 2010 to 2012 Altima. This headlight assembly is designed specifically for the 2010 to 2012 Nissan Altima. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. The headlight uses H9 bulbs for the high beam and H11 bulbs for the low beam. Please note that the bulbs are not included with the assembly. It's constructed with high-quality, OEM-grade polycarbonate plastic. The housing is fully sealed and waterproof up to IP65, providing excellent weather and impact resistance. The assembly meets or exceeds OEM requirements and is SAE and DOT certified. The microprism reflectors and chrome finishes enhance visibility, making it safer to drive at night. Installation is straightforward with a plug-and-play design. It's a direct bolt-on replacement, requiring no modifications or drilling. Professional installation is recommended. What we like. This headlight assembly is built with high-quality, OEM-grade materials, ensuring durability and weather resistance. It's also a breeze to install with its plug-and-play design, saving you time and hassle. If you prioritize safety and ease of installation, this is the perfect choice for your Altima. What people say. Se ve perfectamente durante la noche al 100/100. Amazing headlight, definitely a different look for my car. Excellent fit for a 2012 Nissan Altima. Number 4. Nissan Altima 2010 to 2012 Headlight Assembly. These headlights are designed specifically for the 2010 to 2012 Nissan Altima 4-door sedan. They offer a perfect fit, ensuring easy installation and a seamless look. This is a direct replacement for your original headlights. These headlights are built to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. The OEM numbers are 26060ZX00A and 26010ZX00A. You can be sure that it will fit and function just like the original. The headlights feature a high transmittance PC lens with UV coating. This means they are designed for excellent durability and ultra-clear vision. You'll experience a significant improvement in brightness. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design. No modifications are needed, saving you time and effort. Simply remove the old headlights and install the new ones. These headlights are IP65 certified, ensuring a watertight seal. The heavy-duty housing is designed to withstand the elements, allowing for safe driving even in rainy conditions. We stand behind our product with a lifetime service guarantee. We promise a quick response to all your questions and provide lifelong service for each purchase. We are here to help you. What we like. This headlight offers a perfect OE fitment, ensuring a seamless replacement for your original headlights. With its high transmittance PC lens, it provides 200% brighter illumination for enhanced visibility. If you're looking for a significant upgrade in brightness and a worry-free driving experience in any weather, this is the one for you. What people say. These were the correct fit and lamp replacement lenses. And they were very easy to install. Amazing product, fits my 2010 Nissan Altima perfectly. True to description product. Number 3. Spec-D tuning headlight for 2010 to 2012 Nissan Altima. This headlight is designed specifically for 2010 to 2012 Nissan Altima 4-door sedan models with halogen headlights. It's a direct bolt-on replacement, making installation straightforward. Please note that it does not fit factory HID xenon headlights. The product is DOT and SAE compliant, ensuring it meets safety standards. It's made by an ISO-certified manufacturer using materials that meet or exceed OEM requirements. You can trust its quality and reliability. Installation is simple, as it's a direct bolt-on replacement. No wiring or modifications are needed. However, professional installation is highly recommended to ensure everything is set up correctly. The product undergoes strict quality control to ensure it's waterproof and impact resistant. It's fully sealed with solid silicone and features a polycarbonate lens and high-quality housing, offering long-lasting performance. The product is 100% brand new and comes in its original packaging. It includes a pair, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side, providing a complete solution for your vehicle. What we like. This headlight is DOT and SAE compliant, guaranteeing it meets safety standards. It's a direct bolt-on replacement, simplifying the installation process. If you value quality and ease of installation, and want to ensure your headlights are up to code, consider this option. What people say. The headlights fit perfectly and were easy to install. The new headlights look great and make a big difference in visibility at night. The headlights are a direct replacement and look just like the originals. Number 2. ACANII headlights for 2010 to 2012 Nissan Altima 4-Doctor Sedan. Are you looking to upgrade your Altima's headlights? These ACANII headlights are designed specifically for the 2010 to 2012 Nissan Altima 4-door sedan. They are a perfect fit for your car. This set includes both the driver and passenger side headlights. The package includes the lens and housing. It's everything you need for a complete replacement. These headlights meet all regulations in the USA and Canada. They are DOT and SAE stamped, ensuring they meet safety standards. You can be confident in their quality and performance. These headlights are a direct replacement for your stock assembly. The lenses ensure full illumination and maximum safety. It's a straightforward upgrade for your vehicle. Installation instructions are not included, and professional installation is recommended. A qualified individual should handle the installation. Please note that a signature may be required upon delivery. You have a 30-day return policy for this product. If you are not satisfied, you can return it within 30 days. Purchase with confidence. What we like. This headlight meets all regulations in USA and Canada, with DOT and SAE stamped. The lenses ensure full illumination and maximum safety. If you are looking for a pair of headlights that provide maximum safety and full illumination, this is a great choice. What people say. Makes the car look brand new. Looks great. Great quality. The headlights look awesome. Visibility is great. Shipping was adequate. So far good. Number 1. ACANII headlight for 2010 to 2012 Nissan Altima. This is a replacement headlight from ACANII, designed specifically for the passenger side of your 2010 to 2012 Nissan Altima sedan. It includes the lens and housing, ensuring a direct fit. The headlight meets all regulations in the USA and Canada, and it's DOT and SAE stamped. This means it's been tested and approved for safety and performance. This is a replacement for your stock assembly. The lenses are designed to ensure full illumination, maximizing safety while driving. Installation instructions are not included, and it's recommended that a qualified individual perform the installation. Please note that a signature may be required upon delivery. The product comes with a 30-day return policy. If you're not satisfied with it, you can return it within 30 days. What we like. This headlight meets all regulations in USA and Canada, with DOT and SAE stamped. The lenses ensure full illumination and maximum safety. If you only need to replace the passenger side headlight, this is a great choice. What people say. High-quality headlight that fits like OEM. It fit perfectly and looks just like it came from a dealership. They also include side marker and turn signal bulbs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.